leisung atum suk phot to kichanga leisung pana pok kham chidan
keep it going for a minute. You'll see inside the mission space.
Akam nau pen nasema ma in online tunga ki genda na bel bangma chilo chi bel sam lo ma idam te kya kwai video thak tong kila kik law law nge tuni i video pen bangyam chi le tulai tak le tunga kilung lun ma USA te na Iran te nuclear ball na asuksian na open por khatte na kiselo hi cha genom mina to kisai USA te lampana kisema hi cha ahil chen now video en sung nima
I'm about to show you is a culmination of over 15 years of development and testing. As I said, hundreds of test shots on
hi bangka basta bom pen kum som le kum nga song bang akipu phato to hi na aza sim banga akisan kin si set hi chema gente na atom pen zakhat be bang san kin si set uma
various models. This is one weapon. So if you take a view of this as 5 additionals, you'll get a sense of what this looks like.
ena hi ongla ding pen abom tang khadi ana sep ja onglak ding hi na hidan ma a tanga omlai le tanga po kham lai le bangchang hi thei ding chi ngai sun thei no te chi ma
Hopefully you can see it and there's not too much reflection. Tom runs our videos out there. We'll run it at full speed so you can see it and then go back through it. Go ahead, Tom.
Na ipen abom asan na wa a video zayo ma leisung atum suk phot to kichanga leisung pana pok kham chidan
Keep it going for a minute. You'll see inside the mission space. Unlike a normal surface bomb, you won't see an impact crater because they're designed to deeply bury and then function. I know there's been a lot of questions about that.
ina hi bom pen bom dang te to ki ballo na bangyam chile ama pen leisunga tum suka pokham dinga ki bolai tak changa amai pokham na amai suksiat aman bang teng susia chi pen kimulo ai tak changa to anga jong don na tom om hi che ma en chinom na a nunga somni le ni nia amau foru mun pen baka bina ayanga porkhate na to mun pen kiselo hi che agenum ina to again king no ma
6 weapons at each vent at Fordow went exactly where they were intended to go.
Hi foru mun na akikhia bom tanguk te pen kap dinga gel na sa mun tengma hoi takina kha hi chi
Bomb has 3 effects that causes damage: blast, fragmentation, and overpressure. In this case, the primary kill mechanism in the mission space was a mix of overpressure and blast ripping through the open tunnels and destroying critical hardware. The majority of the damage we assessed based on our extensive modeling was a blast layer combined with the impulse extending from the shock. Imagine what this looks like 6 times over. A point
ina hidana to ong la ko pen tang khadi pok khap ja ong lang ma toran ma tanguk pok kham le bang chang hi thei ding chi kingai sun thei ye che ma
that I want to make here. The joint force does not do BDA. By design, we don't grade our own homework. The intelligence community does. But here's what we know following the attacks and the strikes on Fordow.
Fodu kamna to kisai pen kau theina pen hidan hi chi ina to kisai ong gen ding hinte
First, that the weapons were built, tested, and loaded properly.
Amasai na hi bom tang pen hoi taka ki boli na hoi ta ki san si set hi chi ma
2. The weapons were released on speed and on parameters.
inani na hi thau tang pen hi bom tang pen speed to khau ta ka ki khesu ki chi
3. The weapons all guided to their intended targets and to their intended aim points.
athum na hi bom tang pen akam nop namunu akhadi nga akigai mo ina akitheng nia thi che
4. The weapons functioned as designed, meaning they exploded. We know this through other means.
ali na hi bom pen apok kham dinga akibo lai ma banga apok kham tak pi hi che ma
Intelligence means that we have that we're visibly able to see them. And we know that the trailing jets saw the first weapons function, and the pilots stated, quote, "This was the brightest explosion that I've ever seen. It literally looked like daylight."
i b2 spirit van leng pen jet van leng ten jong azui na twa jet van leng hol ten bang gen hiam chile hi bangka basta bomi apok khap pen amu chil naw hi na hidana bom pok kham kamu khem pe laga na se pen hi to khitte sun ni tang ma bang hi chi na gen hi chi mo to ina tuni i video pen ajus etena mau hi abom pen apok kham tak pi le mi gen dana ma de bangma asu se zo lo a hi lo na twa again chen naw hi na tuna video khat en king ni na hi pen amun photo mun te akikap khit tak changa amuna paya phong to ki zai hi na to pen en ni ma amun pen hi dan ma thau tangi tum sung na tui ki ching ke ma songa mi tambil bel ma en ini pen Facebook pana kala ke naman music guanga itak changa copyright ami ding law kai changa to anga o kong kha ke na music ka khang ma en akam naw pen na sema ma en online tunga ki gen dana bel bangma chilo chi bel sam lo ma toy na atop dong e sakte tunga lungdama mai le to khitte video tenget saka like le subscribe ong mek sakte tunga jong nomma ma ing chi to kalungdam nang gen nomingina maya video thak to ki mukik zel nei le lungdama mai